If your kitchen looks like a disaster zone, your dishwasher is a superhero in disguise. Dishwashers are essentially robots that save us from the drudgery of hand-washing dishes. All you need to do is load the dirty dishes, add detergent, set the cycle, and press start. The dishwasher takes over from there. First, it fills up with water and heats it to the right temperature. Then comes the detergent release, mixing with the hot water to become a powerful cleaning solution. High-pressure spray arms blast away the grime, reaching every nook and cranny. But wait, there's more. Sensors inside monitor the water temperature and cleanliness, ensuring your dishes don't get damaged and that the water is just the right level. Once clean, the dishwasher drains the dirty water and rinses the dishes with fresh water. Finally, it dries everything off, so your dishes come out sparkling. So next time you're loading up your dishwasher, remember, you're setting a mini robot to work, making your life a whole lot easier.